Mid-century marvel conveniently located minutes from Aurora University, local shopping, and Orchard Road and I-88 access. The sunken living room has a floor-to-ceiling brick fireplace. The adjacent dining room has a brick accent wall and sliding glass door that leads out to a patio. Eat-in kitchen with oak cabinets. Convenient first-floor laundry closet and half-bath. Spacious family room with multi-sided stone fireplace and 2 sets of sliding glass doors that lead out to the patio and yard. The primary bedroom suite has yet another brick fireplace. Private ensuite bath with double sink vanity. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. Originally built as a 5th bedroom, this large room could easily be split back into 2 rooms. Just add a wall and a closet. Fourth bedroom. Full hall bath with double sink vanity. Rear exterior. Paver patio overlooks big yard. Attached side load garage.